Okay, so at the top of this page, I've summarized everything that we've done so far. So if I want my function to go up k units, I have the quantity f of x, and then I'll add k to the end of it. If I want it to go down k units, then I'll subtract k from my f of x. To do left and right, I'm going to change the inside part of the function. So that x that's in parentheses is the part that's going to get changed. So to go left, I'm going to add x plus h. And to go right, I'm going to subtract. So I have f of x minus h, which is maybe a little bit of the opposite of how you think it should go, but that's how that is going to work. Let's give this a try. So we have a graph of f of x. We're going to write a new expression for how this shift is going to work. So if I wanted to go up 1 unit, then I'm going to use this first line here. My k will be 1 because I want to go up 1 unit. And so I'll write f of x plus 1. All right, if I want to go right 2 units, that's this line here with h equal to 2. So I'll do f of x minus 2. And then number 3, I'm going to combine both of those steps together. So I'm going to do both the up 1 and the right to the 2. So go up 1, and then I'm going to go to the right 2. That is going to look like f of x minus 2 as a quantity, and then plus 1. All right, I would like you to pause the video. Numbers 4, 5, and 6 walk you through that process, and then 7 and 8, you're going to just put it all together and give that a try. So this is a really great time to double check and make sure that you're understanding the material. Let's go ahead and pause that video. We'll come back in just a second and see if we got to the same places. All right, so let's give this a try. If I want to go up 3 units, that means my k is equal to 3. I get f of x plus 3. If I want to move to the left 4 units, and my h is 4, I'll have f of x plus 4. Then number 6, I want to do both of those changes at the same time. So I want to go up 3 and left 4. So I'll put these two together. That gives me f of x plus 4 plus 3. All right, number 7 gives us all the details at one time. When I have all of the details, the thing that I usually do first is the left or right piece. So if I want to go left 1.5 units, that means my h is 1.5. So I have f of x plus 1.5. And then I need to go down 4.5 units. So my k is 4.5, and I'm going to subtract that. Right, and then number 8, so down 3.25 units and to the right 2.4. So if I go to the right, my h will be 2.4, and I'll have f of x minus 2.4, and then down 3.25. So k would be 3.25, and I'm going to subtract that. All right, awesome. When we come back in the next video, we're going to reverse that process. So we have the equations, and we'll take a look at figuring out how that moves that graph.